New at 10 tonight, a renewed chance for members of local law enforcement to create bonds with the people they serve. Several cities across East Texas participated in National Night Out tonight. Our Jose Alonso went to a couple of the National Night Out events tonight. So, Jose, what was the atmosphere like tonight?
I felt a sense of togetherness. David, I saw many Tylerites come down to the municipal court or barbecuing in their communities. Now, what makes this more special is that this was the first time the city of Tyler could hold this event since the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic.
And it's an opportunity for us to meet and greet and make personal contact with the citizens of Tyler.
National Night Out is back for the first time since 2019.
For the last 2 years, we've kind of been twiddling our thumbs and we haven't been able to do this. So it's exciting to be back out here. It's exciting to get these started again, and we're really ready to make it grow every year.
And grow it did, with many participants coming out to meet police officers, Tyler Animal Control, municipal court judges, and more.
Besides compliance, we are really interested in rehabilitating people who get tickets and have burdensome fines and court costs, and we like to try to find ways to help them cure that problem and learn from their mistakes and move on.
Detective Andy Erbach said officers plan to join about 50 parties across the city Tuesday night. Over on Crescent Drive, one neighbor brought out barbecue and sweets for all the kids on her block.
We've been doing this close to 40 years now. Our officers have came out earlier and spoke to all the future generation of Crescent Drive.
Deborah Christian says she's been hosting National Night Out to help teach the kids in her community about paying it forward, but she also had to stop this annual gathering because of coronavirus.
It's just like we're ready to get out. And so that's happening here tonight. Some young people, I didn't know their name, but I know it now. And I watched the school bus come on this street and it fills up. And so I know we have a lot of life on this street.
Life on the street, a vibrant night for many who missed community events.
It gets neighbors together from other neighborhoods, and they can talk to the police, not only just in a relaxed manner, but they also can ask us questions. They can also tell us their problems.
Tyler PD also brought out McGruff the crime dog, who was very popular among the kids.
Yeah, I'm sure he was. It's great seeing so many people out, Jose. And since it had been a couple of years, did you sense any hesitation when you went out to that neighborhood on Crescent Drive?
Let me tell you, David, it was so wholesome. Deborah was all smiles, bringing out a bounce house and food for her neighbors. She actually told me that what's interesting, she told me that every year for National Night Out, that the Domino's on Gentry Parkway actually donates some of the pizza to her neighborhood as well. So, I mean, there was a sense of like the pandemic was there, they had sanitizer, but they were there to have fun as well.
That's so great seeing people, businesses, law enforcement all join forces like this. Thank you so much, Jose.